Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be playing Monkey on the Shelf.
Monkey on the Shelf.
I have my friend Beans here again.
Yeah, if you guys don't know what Monkey on the Shelf is, where one person starts on the shelf, and they have to start here, try to get here without touching the ground, and like I get to delete one thing every round, and it'll get harder and harder. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing.
Yep. And make sure to like and subscribe, because I'm face revealing at 400, Beans is face revealing at 1000, and I am name revealing at 100. So let's get straight into it. Beans, can I be the first monkey on the shelf?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, okay.
We both have two. Turns. So
Two
if I
rounds
die,
each.
say I died right now, I'd still be able to play one more time.
Okay.
Go.
Go ahead.
Oh wait, I have an easier.
I haven't deleted anything.
Oh my gosh, I almost died. Oh, yep, I'm safe. Okay.
Gosh, yeah, go straight back. Yep, now he's good. Now I get to delete something.
Okay.
Alright, I'm deleting this, loser.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I did it. No way.
Right,
No!
you made it.
Wait, I did?
You made it. You made it.
Okay.
Yeah, you technically made it. I'm a bad ref, but yeah. Alright, I'm deleting this platform.
How am I gonna get up?
There's actually a way. I know how to do it.
Oh, this is about the same amount as that and that. Okay, 3, 2, 1. God damn.
Oh.
Okay,
You
one.
have to. Alright, that's one round for you. The last life, brother. Alright, we restart every round.
So I can go on that.
Yeah, you can jump anywhere.
Oh, okay, bet.
We're touching the tip. Alright. Bam. Alright, go back.
Okay.
I'm gonna get rid of that.
That. Okay. Oh god. Can I try that again?
Alright, my turn.
Ah, damn.
Alright, alright, I get to get the lucky. Oh no! I tried to.
Okay, hey, that's your first round. First round, you're already out.
Freaked out, okay? That was a warm up. Oh. I made it.
Okay, I am going to delete this. Wait, no. I'm deleting this.
Okay. Okay.
If you die this one round, it's my turn next.
I think I know what you're gonna delete.
I'm gonna delete this now.
Dude, I don't know if this is possible anymore.
And let me see if I can. I don't think it is.
Wait, does that include the clothes or the dummies?
No. But it's very hard
it
to.
doesn't.
It doesn't.
It doesn't?
Nope. But if I delete one, if I delete one dummy,
Oh, actually, yeah. How about we do that? These don't count.
yeah.
Okay. So, let me try. Okay. Okay. Dummy.
Wow. Thanks, bro.
Alright. You didn't delete that. So. Made it.
Okay.
Alright.
I am deleting.
Cereal girl. Now you can delete a whole row or just one.
The entire row. This entire row. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. And this one.
For that whole row. Just
Yeah.
the front row. No! I jumped way too far over.
Okay.
Alright, you're gonna get one more round.
Yep. And then we're gonna end the video. This is gonna be a pretty short video.
Okay. I'm going to delete. Oh, wait, no, you get to.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright. I'm deleting that.
Okay. Bet.
You know, you could just jump. I'm right here to here. You can literally grab it like that, and then.
Mhm.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh,
Bro had
your
no idea.
hands will butter.
Bro had no idea what what I just did. I should be
Wait,
out
what?
right now. I should only have one more left.
Well, I'm not gonna count it.
Yeah, cause you didn't see it.
You
You didn't
delete
see
that. Deleting this.
it. That?
Circle platform.
Okay.
Circle platform. Alright.
Oh my god.
Watching you like a hawk.
Okay, so I have to go like, but really hard. Oh my fuck!
Jack, you're out.
Okay, I have one more turn.
Alright, since how about I get one more round too?
Wait, I haven't died twice though.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
so we both get 2 rounds, then we're gonna end the video. Oh wait, I forgot. We started a whole new round. Oh my gosh, what the?
Alright, slow.
That
Bro.
didn't count. My arm was glitched. My arm was glitched.
Excuses.
No, my arm was actually glitched.
Oh my god. My bro.
God damn.
Alright, my turn.
Okay, I'm gonna try and play on the ground.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Speed run. Made it. Made it.
Okay.
Delete
I'm deleting this.
that. Ooh, oh my god.
I was about to be out.
Boom. Made it. Alright. Delete something.
This.
Okay. Oh, oh my god. Oh, my hand was trembling. Alright,
I'm deleting
delete something.
I'm deleting this wall. This wall right here.
That wall?
Yep.
Alright, well, it's gonna be hard. Oh my god. Please, please, please. Have a sticky head. Oh my god. Walk on these like easy. No!
You couldn't save yourself anyways because I deleted this wall.
Oh. Wait, could I have made it?
I think it might be impossible. I think I've
No,
trapped you.
it wasn't. I could have made it here. Alright.
Oh my god. Okay, I am deleting this.
Wait, no, since I died, we restart. So.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh, so sorry about my language.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Bam. Easy. Light work, dog. Alright. Delete something.
This.
That?
Yeah.
That. Boom. Hey. Oh my god.
You almost just died there, buddy.
I'm Spider-Man. 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 Dick Gregory with a frying pan.
I'm deleting all the heads.
You can't do that. You can only delete a row.
I'll delete this row then.
The front row?
Yep, this is gonna
So
be
I
hard.
can't jump there? I can't jump there?
So you can't jump. You can't jump here, and you can't jump. You can't touch any of these heads. So if you go like,
No, just that front row.
yeah, that front row.
So I can touch like that, like the thing holding it?
Yes, this. Yes, you can.
I can touch that? Okay.
Yeah.
Made it. Righty.
I'm deleting these heads.
Okay. Ooh! I made it.
Now I'm deleting
Come on,
this.
FA. Make it
Now
hot.
I'm deleting this.
That. Holy cow.
So now you can't touch anything on this. Unless you
Anything
can.
on that, I think I got an idea. It's gonna be really bad though. No! Dang it! Alright guys, well, I failed.
Subscribe if you liked this, and we'll do it again if you want. See ya.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.